How to add multiple images in a product in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. This is going to be very easy and simple thing to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. First, you'll need to just go ahead and open up your products section here from your Shopify admin. Click on products, and then we can just click on add product. And we can also edit a product that is already existing, so don't worry about that. I'm going to show both ways. So here we can just go and click on title and give it a title. I'm just going to do tutorial or something. Here you would want to obviously give it a description and stuff. Let me just add some price and stock here. Anyways, so now to add multiple different images, you just want to go ahead and go to media, click on upload new, and then we pretty much just want to upload different images. So let me just show you how to do it all at once instead of having to go through it one by one. You can just hold control and select different images at once. So let's just go ahead and select this one. Let's just go for this one as well, and let's just go for red or something here. Click on open, and all of them are actually going to be uploaded at once. So it's going to be all at once, and you can actually see all of them are available. Now, if you want to add even more, you can feel free to just click on this plus icon right next to all of these images. Click on that, and you can just click on add media and just upload the extra image. Just give it a little bit of time. Once it's done uploading, we can just click on done. And now we should have all of these different images for this one product. So let's just go and view it and see how it actually looks like. So we can just go ahead and click on our online store, click on preview your online store or view your online store. And then we can just click on this one. And you can actually see now we have our first image, which is a GIF or GIF. And then we can also see the other images here that we can click on to view further. So this is pretty much how to do it with a new product. And if you want to edit a previously existing product, it's also going to be exactly the same way. So let's just go and show you just in case. We can just click on products one more time. Go for this one, which is the red one this time. And once you open it up, you will find yourself in media, and now you get the idea by now. Just click on the plus icon right next to this default image. Add another image that you want. Click on done, or if you don't see it in here, just click on add media from the top, and here you can feel free to upload from your actual device. So once you do that, click on done, and you should have now multiple different images for one product. And by the way, you can feel free to remove them by just selecting them like this and just click on remove, and you're good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.